Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Aidenino Mananzikri. I'm in 7 grade class 7 MTSN 1 Kotim. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to make herbal cough medicine. 1 pears, 5 cloves, 1 lemongrass, cinnamon, brown sugar, and water. Here's to make it. Inshallah, here it is. Stemmed pears natural cough medicine. Good luck trying it.